Good evening, everyone. How are you today? I hope you all had a blessed day. As you see from the intro, that it is on civil rights. Yes. So I will get on with it. May the words of my mouth, meditation of my soul, be accepted in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my redeemer. Amen. And I plead the blood. Thank you. Okay, let's get on with it because I think this is going to be the last, and I'll get some rest because I need some rest. I haven't been doing too well lately. I have lymphedema uh, in both my legs uh, and my stomach, and it makes me feel yucky. I do what I can, but when I went to see my doctor, she saw, so she has ordered treatment. They have not called as of today. I will check, and if they have not, I will call them tomorrow. But they probably have to start like March or something, the end of March or something like that. So we'll see. Okay, the question was put to me by myself. Civil rights origins, history, and the purpose through time. Okay? Civil rights origins. The civil rights movement in the United States began in the late 1940s and gained momentum through the 50s and 60s. Its origins can be traced back to the Reconstruction era. Following the Civil War, when African Americans sought to secure the newly won freedoms and rights. Okay, and here are a few of the key events and milestones. Reconstruction era. After the Civil War, the 14th and the 15th Amendment were passed, granting African Americans equal protection under the law and the right to vote. The next was the Jim Crow law that European people put out there so they can be segregated from us, which they brought us over here. My my ancestors, for the sole purpose they was lazy, uh, uh, and they didn't know how to do anything. To be honest, so they heard about people that they could uh, take and not have to pay them. hmm Despite these amendments, southern states enacted Jim Crow laws ra- uh, uh, to enforce racial segregation and disenfranchisement. Oh Lord, I tell you, the more European people get, the more they want. and they will connive until they get it. World War II, the war effort highlighted the contradictions between fighting for freedom abroad and denying it at home. Executive Order 8802, issued by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt in 1941, banned description in the defense history. Brown versus the Board of Education, 1954. The Supreme Court ruled that racial segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. Montgomery bus boycott, 1955-1956, sparked by Rosa Parks' refusal to get up her seat. This boycott became a pivotal event in the movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1964. This landmark legislation outlawed discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Voters' Rights Act of 1965 aimed to overcome legal, legal barriers at the state and local levels that prevented African Americans from exercising their right to vote. Okay? The purpose through time, the purpose of the War, civil rights movement evolved over time. Early 20th century efforts focused on securing basic civil rights and ending segregation. Mid 20th century, the movement expanded to include economic justice, voting rights, and broader social equality. Late 20th century, beyond the movement's legacy, continues to influence contemporary struggles for equality and justice, including movements for LGBTQ rights, women's rights, and social justice. Therefore, the civil rights movement was a pivotal struggle for social justice. Not only did it give my ancestors their rights, but it also gave the people that was discriminated on also. So people of different races and cultures realized this could help them also. So they hopped on the bandwagon and got their rights. But our people fought for it for years and years. And once the laws were passed, everybody was hopping aboard. So origins can be traced back to the Reconstruction era, and it achieved significant legislative and social and just and judicial victories in the mid 20th century. The movement's purpose has evolved over time, continuing to inspire contemporary efforts for equality and justice. So, thank you so much for joining me. Uh, I think I will stop there, and I hope you will join me again. Uh, and take care of yourself and each other. And please pass this on. Thank you so much. And namaste. Please share and like and subscribe so I can get my 1,000 subscribers. So I will talk to you soon and give you other information on my surgery. Now, this is a major surgery. Um, so I will see you again before the surgery. So thank you. Goodbye and namaste and bless you all this day.